10th के बाद 100 लोग 100 ओपिनियन देते हैं कि क्या चूज करनी चाहिए, बट इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना टेल यू which stream am I choosing after class 10. Either it's science, commerce or arts. After we complete 10th, we are overwhelmed by a feeling of relief and freedom until we know we need to make a much harder decision, and that is stream selection. Hello everyone, my name is Vansh Jain and I have just completed my class 10th and today I'm gonna reveal which stream am I choosing. तो मैंने साइंस ली है और वो भी PCB which is physics, biology, chemistry. The real reason behind it is that from beginning मुझे बायोलॉजी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. मेरे हर टेस्ट में ऑलमोस्ट बायोलॉजी में हर टेस्ट में फुली आया है एंड आई एम वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड नई नई चीज़ों के बारे में जानने के लिए. But it is all great up to 10th until you know the real reality of 11th in which biology is completely on a different level. So I'm really interested in medicinal field and I want to pursue my career in it. That's why I chose to take NEET as an option. As a 11th grader, I'm gonna be taking PCB. So अगर आप मेरे पहली वीडियोस देख चुके हो तो आपको पता होगा कि मैंने 10th में ही अर्जुना NEET का बैच लिया था thinking that I can prepare for NEET along with 10th in the same time, but it turned out pretty much different. I couldn't manage it. That's why I dropped it after half a year. तो मैंने अक्टूबर तक क्लासेस ली थी और नोट्स सब बहुत अच्छे से, ये इतने नोट्स अभी तक बने हैं, ये मुझे बहुत हेल्प करने वाले हैं. इन दो 6 months in which I studied for NEET completely changed my mindset about where I was thinking that it will be a lot more easier to study. It was completely wrong. First, my test scores were good, but as time passed, I lost grip on each and every subject and my scores became so worse and worse that at a point they even reached about 400 out of 720. So that is when I realized this is not the right time to do it, as I was not keeping much focus and not giving enough time to practice. पर अब मुझे completely समझ आ चुका है कि ये एक easy खेल नहीं है. हमको हर दिन कंसिस्टेंसी एंड डिसिप्लिन के साथ पढ़ना पड़ेगा और एक प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर में काम करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई एम प्रीटी हैप्पी दैट आई टुक द डिसीजन ऑफ टेकिंग अर्जुना नीट बैच. आई अंडरस्टूड द चैप्टर्स, द डिफिकल्टी लेवल, द टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, द लेवल ऑफ प्रैक्टिस रिक्वायर्ड टू डू दोज क्वेश्चंस. सो आई एम ऑलरेडी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड एंड रेडी टू गो. एंड द रीजन आई एम नॉट taking arts and commerce is that arts obviously it includes social and all that, which is not at all my area, and I know that I'm never gonna achieve anything big if I choose that. And talking about commerce, from the beginning itself I'm not much interested in it. I'm not much interested in business and those things, but in future if I have much more knowledge about it, I can start it as a side hustle. I'm very excited to start this year. But the difference is that I'm not just starting as an average student who newly entered 11th. I know what to do. I know what steps should be taken right now and the mistakes which I shouldn't repeat again. As I have taken PCB and NEET, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Also, there's a little bit of anxiety which is I need to spend 10 to 15 years of my life completely doing it. So that's where I'm a little scared. But also I'm pretty confident that I am gonna excel in this field and I am gonna achieve the absolute best with complete dedication and hard work. Also, when I entered, after seeing this textbook, this did not shock me until I studied the first chapter, in which I studied about tissues and all that, which was already taught in class 9. But as the chapters passed by and the detail in this, that's really crazy. Not only biology but also physics and chemistry, where chemistry we are gonna learn about 3 types: inorganic, organic and physical. Physical, if you're bad in maths, you need to improve it. And physics, we are gonna learn a lot of new things. Tell me in the comments which stream are you gonna choose and from where and from which coaching, or how are you gonna start your journey. If you want to know which coaching have I taken, tell me in the comments and I'll definitely make a video upon it. I have already gone to the center, so I'm really excited to share all things with you. Let's meet in the next video.